Clovy, the IoT vertical garden that teaches you how to grow. Our frenetic urban lives often disconnect us from the people around us. Today, we seek ways to reconnect and restore healthy lifestyles. But the gap between us and the origin of our food is growing larger every day. According to the World Health Organization, we should consume at least 5 portions of fruit and vegetables per day. But most of the fresh food we eat is at risk of losing almost half of its nutrients once harvested, or even worse, gets wasted before reaching our table.
But there is a way you can change this, by growing healthy food in your city.
And to make urban farming easier for all, today we're launching Clovy, the newest IoT vertical garden that teaches you how to grow.
We are Hexagro, and in 2017, we started building the first urban farming platform to decentralize the way we grow and access healthy food. Leveraging urban agriculture and vertical farming, we preserve the highest nutrient content of fresh food and cut food miles.
We launched our first product, Poty, in 2020, and since then we have delivered over 4,000 units to homes around Italy and Europe. Today, after receiving hundreds of feedbacks from our customers, we are happy to present you our newest product worldwide, Clovy, the smartest vertical garden that will guide you to a successful harvest in the comfort of your home. Clovy is available in 2 sizes and materials, Standard and Eco Premium. It features modular vases made of 100% recycled plastics and biocomposite materials derived from agricultural waste, such as wood chips and rice shells. Its compact water container will last up to 2 weeks without needing a refill, and the submersible water pump allows you to grow using both hydroponic fertigation and low-pressure aeroponics, making Clovy the most flexible garden ever conceived. Additionally, the IoT automation system helps you to remotely control, monitor, and improve your cultivation. It leverages a water level sensor to send you notifications when it's time to refill. And our Hexagro mobile app will guide you through every step of the process. Thank you to our AI cultivation assistant, HexBee.
By supporting our campaign, you will receive Clovy. And you will also have the opportunity to be among the very first ones to access our upcoming add-ons and product announcements.
Hexagro's international and multidisciplinary team is a group of young, talented people striving for the vision of creating an urban farming global community, a movement of people passionate about growing food and eating healthy to decrease the environmental impact of their communities. Join our movement and be part of the urban farming revolution.